up guys? So today I'm back with the next video, and today we'll be unboxing some RAM, also known as random access memory, and this is pretty much important in your gaming design. So yeah, we have the T Force DDR4 Gaming Delta RGB. So this pretty much you can light it up, you can customize the light and sync it with your other light settings. I think it used, I believe, the Mystic light. No, use the Asus Era Sync. So pretty much most of the components, especially if you have an Asus motherboard, will basically be able to sync with this right here. So it is white. I think they have a black version, I'm not sure, but the RGB is on top, and this is basically 16 gigabytes. So 8 gigabytes here and 8 gigabytes here. So here on the back, it basically tells you more about the T Force theme, and it also talks about the full frame 120 degrees ultra wide angle lighting, the built-in force flow RGB lighting, talks about the energy saving and all those stuff. So basically guys, this, I believe the speeds for this is around 3200. I believe, I think it's measured in gigahertz, I'm not sure, correct me if I'm wrong in the comment section. But I'm gonna pull the box right here, not the box, the packaging. So cut that little tape right here, like that, nice and easy. Box it. This is that little cord right here. I guess this is the manual. So 100% tested, lifetime warranty. So we have a neck sticker, you know, we like stickers, you can put that in the PC or wherever. And we have the RAMs right here. So let's take out the first one. Oh, these are kind of hard to do. Take your time with those guys. So try not to touch the terminals. So there, it's pretty, it has a weight to it, which I like. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Very white and nice. And that's the 8 gigabytes right there of memory. And then we have the next 8 gigabytes right here. So to be honest, I've been using these already in my previous build, but I'll be using this in a new build, so you guys can check that out. Also stay tuned, subscribe for that. I'll also leave a link above in this video, so you can go right over to that where you see I installed these and all those stuff. So that's pretty much it guys. That's the T Force Delta gaming RAM. It is 16 gigabytes and it looks really nice, especially if you're doing it in a white build. But that's pretty much it guys. Thank you guys for watching. Until my next video guys, I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Peace.